Hey guys, it's Nick the Booksmith. Welcome back to my channel. And as promised, I have some journals that are ready for the Etsy store, and they will be going up for sale this Saturday morning at 10 a.m. And I figured that would be pretty decent for a lot of folks. So Saturday morning, 10 a.m. And these are all the Scholar's Ledger type books. There's one done in this beautiful vintage khaki color. There is this weathered leather with black spine. And then we have this beautiful paper done in these burgundy roses with the, it's just purty. Just purty. So these two have labels on them, the journal and the notes, and then this one has one of the Tim Holtz die cut book plates, and it says story in there. So just quickly, they are all approximately the same size, 8 and 3/4. I think this one's actually 8.5. So this one's 8.5 by 4.5. Hold on. It's a little wider because the spine is wider. So this one's like 8.5 by 5. And then these two are like 8 3/4 by 5. So, and they all have the exact same amount of pages in them, and they are all decorated the same amount, just in a little bit different way. Let me scoot stuff over, man. There we go. Get that out of the way. So inside this one, let's see if I can. Maybe, is that better? Okay, maybe a little closer, right? So this has a rusty metal plate with some numbers here. I just put one of my library cards in there. This one has some quotes, some little things sewn, some paper collage. Of course, all the same ledger type paper and office papers, like I like to do, and notebook paper. This is a little metal clip because this folds out like that. And then I've got some little phrases from a novel. Quite a bit of sewing, excuse me, quite a bit of sewing in these. There's pockets, lots of places to write, lots of paper collages, just lots of interesting things to look at. There's another pocket, another quote. There's some sewing, a little paper collage there, and some book pages sewn in. Here is a file folder middle with two big old pockets here, and a little number code. There's another one of those novel quotes. Here is a little tuck spot here and another one on this side. Here's an accounting page. A little side pocket with a shipping tag. And then here is another one on this side this is matte paper. There's another little tuck spot there. Some more book pages and notebook. Another tuck spot and a quote. Here is a little number tag on a little clip hanging off of this little spot. And then in the back is my my stamp, and then there is this book belongs to. But on the inside you can see it's got the old ledger paper. So there is this beautiful guy. Okay, and this one. And there is the back. They all have the same cheesecloth and headbands up at the top. Inside of this one is more of a naturalist kind of a thing. So there's a pocket here. There happens to be one here. There's another one of those number tags. There's quotes through this one too. and little pockets. Almost the exact same style of papers, and I mean, of course, there are different patterns and stuff like that, but it's still the same feeling, I guess. I do that in all my books. Here is another pocket here. And here's a big pocket here. 2 side pockets. Here is a quote. And if you took the free embellishment class at Teachable, this was something that we made there. So I just put that in this one. There is some mushrooms, and here is a little file folder page with some number codes, some book pages. And a pocket here on the back of this file folder page. Here's a tag I popped in there. Another pocket. And here's one here with this little mushroom card, and then there is a quote. And some sewing. And here too, and this is like a little tuck spot pocket. And there's the other side. Some sewing there. And then this is the last page with my stamp and the beautiful moth paper, gorgeous moth paper. So I did leave all the strings. If they bug you, cut them off. It won't hurt my feels, I promise. Everybody's different. No judgment. No judgment. So there is notes. This one is story. And it has the same paper on the front and the back. Just a gorgeous, it's Tim Holtz, it's beautiful. And the matching spine. On the inside of this guy, there is a double pocket here, and with a little novel quote. And on this side is one of the little number, oh, sorry. On this side is one of the little number tags. Let me back up a little bit. And then there is a quote here on this sewn pocket and a little metal clip on one of these file folder pages. Some sheet music. Here is some there's more textiles in this one. There is another notebook page and the other side of that file folder. There is a little bit of textiles there. It's not frilly though. There's a big map pocket. And a little piece of map paper sewn on there. Some more sheet music. It's one of my little dictionary page buttons, but I didn't put a button on top. I just left it just the dictionary page button. If you haven't seen that one, that was 2 videos ago, I think. Anyway. We made those. It's another notebook page and a book page. And more sheet music. There's another one of the fold outs with the little metal clips. Somebody asked, these are Tim Holtz. So just FYI. Here's another accounting page, and I've done some sewing down here on the bottom. And some sheet music. And there's some more sheet music. And there is some little paper collage sewn on here. And then on this page we have some sheet music and some vine trim sewn on. Here's a little pocket here with a little garment pin. It's all sewn on. Little number code. Nice big pocket here, and then on the last page there is a nice big pocket here, and it's an overlay. It's vellum over sheet music with a little novel quote and a "This book belongs to." All right, guys, so this one as well will be going up on the Etsy store Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So, thank you all so very much for checking these out. I hope you like them. I really like the style of book. I like the size. I love the fact that it's hardback. I love the fact that it's academic looking. I don't know. I just really, really like this style of book. So I hope you guys like them too. And I will see you guys really, really soon. Thank you for stopping by. Bye, guys.